thunderstorm warning for Ohio County in southeastern Indiana, northeastern Ripley County in southeastern Indiana, Dearborn County in southeastern Indiana, Boone County, southwestern Hamilton County in southwestern Ohio, until 2:45 p.m. At 2:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Moores Hill, moving southeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cincinnati, Florence, Erlanger, Ellesmere, Village Hills, Lawrenceburg, Greendale, Aurora, Walton, Rising Sun, Bright, Hidden Valley, Oak Brook, Burlington, Union, Cleves, Milan, Shawnee, Moores Hill, and Delhi Township. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 71 in Kentucky between mile markers 73 and 77. Interstate 74 in Indiana between mile markers 160 and 164. Interstate 75 in Kentucky between mile markers 170 and 183.